guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a snow day makeup tutorial. So I got this really simple look for you today with some white eye makeup and some cute red lips for the winter season, and I hope you guys will enjoy.
Alright, so first things first, we're starting off with a blank face, just foundation and eyebrows on, and now we're going to go ahead with this NYX eyeshadow base, which is actually a white pearl, so it's perfect for our white lid. I'm just going to pack it on, and it can be messy as you want because you're going to go over it later. With this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, which I got from CVS, it's really easy to like blend this. It's not completely opaque, but it does make more of a white base than just the eyeshadow base, and I'm also running this under my lower lash line into my lashes on the bottom as well. Next, I'm taking this Exit ColourPop eyeliner. You can use any white eyeliner, obviously. I'm putting it into the waterline and then blending it into the lower lash line as well. So my bottom lash line is all white and bright like the snow. Next up, for the eyes, we're going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm taking the Lorac California Dreaming palette and dipping into Sandcastle, which is a white shimmer, and packing it on the lid to set the Jumbo Eye Pencil. And next, I'm going to take a Jeffree Star's Ice Cold, which is a highlighter with a little bit of a cream hint to it. And I'm going to pack that sloppily all over the lid. We're doing just white on the lids, so I'm just making this real sloppy and trying to buff it out. Next up, we're going back into that California Dreaming palette with the same color, and we're going to buff it underneath the lash line so we set that Jumbo Eye Pencil and also make under the eyes a little bit brighter. Next, for mascara, you can open it up like a weirdo like me if you want. And then it's not required to make a really concerned or ugly face when doing mascara, but you know, that's what I do. Next up, I'm putting on my lashes. 1, 2, 3, bye. Okay, yay, hey, I'm back. Hey, my lashes look good. Next, we're going back into the California Dreaming palette. We're going to take this brown light color and we're going to make it to our contour. This can be very soft, but since the color is a little bit on the warm side, I definitely had to like take my time applying it. I also applied this underneath the chin to blend into the neck, and then a little bit on my forehead, and then like, yeah, ran it together with the rest of my face. Boop, 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 boop. Done. Next, we're doing blush. This is Coral Cove by Milani. It's just a like warmer tone since your face does get red in the snow. And I'm applying this to the cheeks and then bringing it together with the rest of my face, like under the chin and pretty much everywhere else. But it's very light. Next, Ice Cold is our highlighter for today. And I'm applying this with 2 different brushes because, you know, I'm weird. But I'm applying a lot of it to the nose and Cupid's bow, and I'm just applying a lot of it to the face in general, underneath the eyebrows, on the cheekbones, and it should be blinding. Next is just a little bit of lip balm. Now that we have our lip balm on, it's time for lip liner. This is just a cheap little lip liner, and I'm just going to frame out where the red is going to go because this red is more of a glitter, so it's not completely opaque. Whoop, whoop. Alright, now we're going to apply this beautiful lipstick. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty! And it is Poinsettia from Jeffree Star Cosmetics' new holiday line. All these products will be linked down below for you as best I can, or at least listed down below, so you can find them if you want them. All of these products are cruelty-free, and now I'm going to be setting my face with my own setting spray, which works great. It smells great too, actually. And now I'm going to tell you. Look at me trying to figure out how to tell you I'm putting on hair and an outfit. Anyways, that's it, you guys. I hope you like it. Now go outside and have a snowball fight.